Did he just poop on me?
Mm-mm.
On my back?
Mm-mm. Sammy!
Sammy, look. Look. The crazy thing is when they get on my arm and they start eating my arm.
They're just getting all the mites off of you.
I guess so. Like that. She'll do it, so he'll do it.
He bit me and drew blood the other day.
He bit you what?
He bit me and drew blood. Because he's a mean bird.
No. He will bite. Sammy! Come here! Come on! Jesus, what new hell is this?
Sammy. Sammy.
Come on, Sammy! Come here! Pretty bird. Sometimes he'll bite you and sometimes he won't. Jesus, I don't like that thing. He's pointing at me. Uh-huh. There's the scissors over there. I'm not so sure about that.